नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, झारखंड हाई कोर्ट सेज denying retirement benefits is violation of the fundamental rights. The Jharkhand High Court recently issued a ruling that strongly affirms the fundamental right of the employees to receive their retirement benefits without any legal obstacles. This decision was made in response to a petition filed by retired employees who were denied their retirement benefits. The court emphasized the importance of honoring the commitment made to employees throughout their tenure. Implication of rulings. This ruling is expected to have significant implications not only in Jharkhand but across the entire country. It reinforces the principle that the welfare and rights of employees should be safeguarded without compromise. The ruling emphasizes the importance of ensuring that employees are not deprived of their rightful dues upon retirement, promoting a culture of fairness and justice in the workplace. The High Court judgment underlined that denial retirement benefits constitute a violation of employees' fundamental rights. The court stressed that these benefits are not discretionary but are a rightful entitlement earned by employees through their dedicated service to their employers. The judgment serves as a reminder to employees and authorities of their legal and the moral obligations towards their employees. It recognizes that retirement benefits are not merely financial perks but essential provisions for the well-being and security of the retired individuals and their families. The decision of the Jharkhand High Court is being hailed as a significant victory for employee rights. It sets a precedent for the future cases involving retirement benefits and highlights the judiciary's commitment to upholding justice and fairness in the realm of labor rights. This reaffirms the principle that employees' contributions to the workforce should be duly acknowledged and rewarded. The verdict of the Jharkhand High Court is very significant. और किसी भी रिटायरीज का जो उनका प्रॉपर राइट होता है उसे जरूर मिलना चाहिए। एम्प्लॉयर को इस तरह के डिनाइल का डिसीजन लेने से पहले मानवता के आधार पर भी सोचना चाहिए कि वो एम्प्लॉइज अपने जीवन का सर्वोच्च समय डेडिकेटेड सर्विस में बिताया है तो उसके लिए उसका हकदार होता है। और बैंक रिटायरीज भी वेट कर रहे हैं कि MC सिंगला केस में उन्हें प्रॉपर जस्टिस मिले, जजमेंट मिले जो उनके राइटफुल डिमांड को पूरा करे। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।